All right, so we found about her story in the Star, and it really inspired us. Joanne McFarlane was accepted to the Capilano University in Vancouver, Canada, to pursue her studies in 2D animation. But there's only one thing in the way of Joanne's dream from becoming an animator. Plenty money. Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Congrats on being accepted.
Thank you.
But before we get to how you're going to get there,
yes.
Why animation in the first place? Where did this come from?
Okay, so as a child, my first influence came from books initially, because as a kid, you're not going to have access to internet initially. So a lot of it is just a combination of books and preloaded programs like Microsoft Paint that I had access to, and I used to just play around with that. And then until I got to about high school, that's when I started to explore or get access to more resources.
You get the feeling that it's not a very popular thing.
Yes.
So how did you want to be an animator? Why did you want to be an animator?
I wanted to be an animator because initially I wasn't one of those kids that easily can socialize and make friends like that. So I used to disassociate and put myself into the world of the paper, you know, a blank sheet, bring characters to life and those things. So that's my way of communicating, and I've found out that it's easier to communicate through that medium and, you know, make my contribution education-wise, because the whole point of me being self-taught is because there weren't a lot of guidance around. So that's
which is where I want to go after that, self-taught.
Yeah.
So you just get up and decide, I want to be an animator and I went to something. What is it, YouTube, Google?
So it's a combination of YouTube, Google, online magazines found through Google. Eventually, when I got to the stage of social media, I started reaching out to those in the industry who are more experienced than myself, talking to them on either on a friendship level or on a professional level, just to pick their brains a bit about what I need to be doing, what I need to be practicing, and they were able to guide me up through the whole.
And fast forward, you won a trip to Canada, which is, and then you applied to Capilano, and you were offered a position.
Yes.
So that's where we are right now.
Right now.
And
currently, what is in my way is finding support, whether through sponsorship or, you know, grants or, you know, wherever the support can come from, to assist me throughout the duration of my study so I could finish and start the long-term goal.
And you need about 5 million Jamaican dollars.
Call approximately 5.8 million Jamaican dollars.
So you need about 6 million Jamaican dollars. Wow.
Yeah.
How are you going to get it?
Well, I'm really hoping, like I said, through whoever is out there listening that could, you know, lend their hand in support, whether if it's to crowdfund or through sponsorship and
what you've got? You got a GoFundMe or?
Yes, I have a GoFundMe online running right now, and currently it's at about just under 1,500 Canadian of the $8,000 goal.
How do we get there?
Okay, so the link is on my Instagram page. That's Joe Whimsy, JOWHIMSY. And right under the bio is the link, so you could click that and make.
Can you show me anything this morning?
Oh, yes.
What have you brought?
So,
can you show me anything?
From the Kingston Animation Festival in 2013, I won the animation disc. So this is what Disney and, you know, the classics of animation used to go through.
This is an animation disc.
Yes, so every paper, about 24 different drawings makes 1 second of movement.
Can you show me anything? Or
I could, but you know, I'm not sure. I didn't have it loaded, but it's supposed to be on the.
No, well, if it's.
Well, yeah. So this is an example of one of the frames.
Yeah.
And all you'd have to do is really place it on the disc like this, but of it you would have more.
You would have more of
different
those,
positions
so,
behind it, and then you just flip it.
And it looks like.
It looks like it's giving life to the character that you do.
Wow.
So it's a lot.
And you learned that all by yourself?
Yes. I also did like short courses through Karamak, and majority of it I had this is what I suggest everybody get. But if you're going the self-taught route, the Animator Survival Kit is your best friend.
Re-expertise, where are you now? Are you as good as everybody else out there?
Well,
are you still learning?
I'd like to always say that I'm still learning because animation is something
so this is what you just showed us now.
So animation is something that it's a lifelong learning process. It is never stops. So you have to be willing and dedicated to do the work and have that determination and passion for it.
We've seen animation or animated movies.
Yeah.
You reached there yet? Can you do it?
No, you know, but I do have like a demo reel from about 2014 through the Karamak course that I had online. It's also, I can view it on my Instagram, so it's part of it is there.
But you are in a position where you could really do something.
Yes.
You're not a novice.
No, well, I would still say somewhat a novice because I'm still doing little things like freelancing.
Where do you want to go with this? At the end of the day, where do you want to go?
At the end of the day, I'd like to be able to create edutainment-based cartoons where I could make those contributions for children like myself who didn't have that level of guidance to be able to know, okay, cartoons and 2D animation is a viable career, you know. So whether it's through educational games or educational music videos, those are the things. But separate and aside from that, I registered a trademark, Strictly Tunes, that will cover all of that.
That's your business.
Yes, that's the end goal right there.
I'm impressed. I pray that it works. Tell us again how that's where they could find you, right?
That's Instagram.
And the GoFundMe account would be?
The link is right underneath the GoFundMe, and I've been putting out the little campaign reminders.
By the way, when you need all this money by?
The 15th of April.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't have a lot of time,
Not
do you?
a lot of time.
And then you would go off in September?
Yes, September 3rd is when
the
school begins, yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Good luck. Really, really impressed, and I pray it works for you.
Right, thank you so much.
If you can help, help. So, folks, you've heard her story, and I hope you feel compelled to help Joanne on her way to the Capilano University in Canada.